In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Messenger app. By the end, you'll have Messenger installed from the official source on your Windows PC, ready to use. I'll keep things simple, explain what to look out for, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident the whole way through. First, we're going to open the Microsoft Store, which is the safest place to get apps on Windows. You can find it by clicking the Start button and typing Microsoft Store, then selecting the app from the search results. On many PCs, you'll also see the Microsoft Store icon pinned on the taskbar. If you're prompted to sign in, that's normal. Some downloads require you to be signed in with a Microsoft account to manage updates and licenses. Once the store is open, look toward the top for the search bar. Click inside it and type Messenger. Press Enter to see the search results. This is important. You want the official Messenger app. It's the chat app people use to connect with friends and contacts, and it syncs with your existing account. If you see multiple results, focus on the one with the familiar blue chat bubble icon and check the publisher information. Choosing the official listing is the best way to avoid knockoffs or outdated wrappers. Now select the official Messenger app from the results to open its product page. Here you can double-check details like the description, screenshots, ratings, and publisher info. You'll also see whether the app is free, which it should be. Taking a moment here helps ensure you're installing the right thing. When you're ready, click Install to download the app. The Microsoft Store will handle the download and installation automatically. You might see a brief prompt to confirm your account or allow the download. Just follow the on-screen cues. The progress bar will show you how things are going. Depending on your internet speed and any system updates running in the background, this may take a minute or two. If your device is low on storage, you'll be notified before installation proceeds. After the installation finishes, the Install button will change to Open. That's your confirmation that Messenger is now on your PC. You can click Open right away to launch it, or find it later by opening the Start menu and searching for Messenger. Updates will come through the Microsoft Store automatically, keeping the app current without extra work from you. And that's it. You opened the Microsoft Store, searched for Messenger, chose the official app, and clicked Install to download it. You're all set to start chatting.